finally got it. It's the CXX 5724. This is a beautiful day. Nothing could go wrong. This is a nice, genuine, fine and dandy 5724. And I'm sure nothing. And I'm sure nothing. And I'm sure nothing. And I'm sure nothing could go wrong. Oh, here comes the southbound freight train. This is a nice, genuine 5724. And I'm sure nothing could go wrong. Wait. No! 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 Wait. No! 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 My 5724! No! Curse you! Curse you, Black Valley Railroad! No! Oh, shut up, Black Valley Railroad! No! Oh, shut up! I don't want to talk to you, Black Valley Railroad. Why did you do that? I hate you, Black Valley Railroad.